Dear parents, are you worried and stressed out because of online classes for your little ones? Do you find them sleeping in front of their laptops during the classes? And also you want to continue your child's education in a safe and comfy environment? Here we come with an interesting solution for you. Now you can guide your child, but how? We can support your child's education delivered at your home, at your very own space during this pandemic. We are here to support you with best quality education and in an affordable fee structure. We will support and assist you with a well-structured Montessori curriculum which will enhance your child's multiple intelligence and sensory skills. Secondly, there is a monthly calendar and a weekly Montessori kit with step-by-step guidance from experienced teacher which will help you to guide your child in learning. And this all comes with a very minimum screen timing. Your child's progress is always guaranteed with a periodic assessment done in the areas of language skills, fine and gross motor skills, sensory skills, social skills and cognitive skills. We assure you that all this will be absolutely easy and fun-filled activities for your child to learn and grow better. You will receive your weekly Montessori kit over courier service every month. And guess what? All this comes in one single package for only ₹1500 every month, like any other monthly subscription of a comic book. And there's no such commitments of paying your regular fees for 6 months altogether and later be bound to continue with the same. This is absolutely at your choice for if you want to continue your child's education further. Now your worries are gone on how to engage your child productively when we are here to support you. For registrations and more details, you can reach us out over phone call and WhatsApp. You can also check our website, that is www.cognizone.in. You can also follow us over Facebook and Instagram. Happy schooling with Cognizone. Think, play and explore.